Here's a great workout that you can do that's knee-friendly, apartment-friendly, and doesn't require too much of your time. Let's begin with a warm-up. Do a power walk in place for 15 to 20 seconds. Then rest for 5 seconds. Now do alternating side reaches. Do 10 reaches on both sides. Then rest for 10 seconds. Now let's do some cross kicks. Do 4 kicks each leg, and rest afterwards for 15 seconds. And stop. Awesome warm-up. Now, let's prepare to pick up the pace after this rest period. Now, let's do modified burpees. Do 10 to 12 burpees. Awesome! Now rest again for 15 seconds. Now, let's do side-to-side lunges with a floor touch. Do 10 to 15 touches on both sides. Great! Let's rest for 15 seconds. Now, let's do speed punches. Do this for 10 to 15 seconds. Great! Now let's rest for 15 seconds. Then we'll work backwards. Let's begin the second and final set with speed punches. Do this for 10 to 15 seconds. Then rest for 15 seconds. Then do side-to-side floor touches. Do 10 to 15 touches on both sides. Now rest again for 15 seconds. Then do 10 to 12 modified burpees. Rest again for 15 seconds. Now, do 4 cross kicks each leg. Rest again for 15 seconds. Now, do 10 reaches on each side of alternating side reaches. Then rest for 10 seconds. Then do power walks for 15 to 20 seconds to cool down. Then rest for 5 seconds and end the workout with a nice stretch. Follow for more tips.